Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Think Beyond Me. So in this video we'll study about the matter, okay? And in next video we'll study about the types of matter. But before proceeding that, first we should understand what exactly matter is, okay? So if we are going towards the definition, basically you can say each and everything which is existing in this world, that is matter, but it should have some mass and it should occupy some space. Anything which have some mass and takes some space, that we can consider as matter. So let's take an example. Okay, glass of water, it has some mass also and it occupies space also. And then what about the rock? This is also an example of matter. Notebook, chair, like the images you can see in the screen, plant, air, milk, pencil, and very amazing fact that air. Many people say like, okay, air is not a matter, but you can't see air. But if you will think about balloon, so air occupy a lot of space, okay, because the particles are so far from each other, okay, so they are like scattered all of the area, I'm saying. So air is also a matter because it contains particles. And so there are different forms of matter: solid, liquid, and gas, that we will study in next video. And then think about it, what exactly, like if everything is matter, then there is something which should be non-matter. So think about it. And if we are going forwards, like what exactly non-matter is, so you can take it example as your feelings, like you're not feeling well, okay, so this feeling is not a matter, okay, it's a non-matter. And if you think about like your happiness, you're feeling very much happy and you're feeling very much sad, so it's a part of your feeling and it's a non-matter, okay, it doesn't contain any mass, and it is not also occupying any space. So yeah, this is a non-matter. And any other example, if it is coming inside your mind, that we can take as like inside my mind it is coming like, okay, love is also non-matter, okay, because it is also not visible to us, it is not occupying any space. And having affection towards anyone and having love towards anyone, this is not a matter, you can say, and it's a non-matter. So apart from that, any other example if you can give? So anything which like just you can feel and it is not occupying any space and it doesn't exist. So that part you can consider as non-matter. Your memory times, okay, and someone's reflection is there, shadow is there, okay, and rainbow is also there. Like rainbow doesn't exist, it just appears to be like rainbow, okay. So these are the things which we can consider as non-matter. So I hope you will like this video, and if any suggestions are there, so you can write in the comment box and I'll appreciate that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.